A tall Douglas Fir tree is located in front of this house with cable and electric lines around it, making it difficult to remove. The tree removal crew parked next to the tree and had to remove the fence in front of the property. The tree was very tall. If it should fall over in a strong wind, it would cause lots of damage, no matter which way it fell. Andrew of the two-man crew is up in the bucket. He's going to delimb the tree, working from the bottom up to the top. Ryland is on the ground gathering limbs and branches. He takes them to the chipper and feeds them in. Up in the bucket, Andrew continues to cut the limbs off the tree and drop them down.
Poor old tree must be 80 years old.
When dealing with limbs that are too heavy for Andrew to handle, he fastens a rope to it and lowers it down to Ryland. After many hours of cutting limbs off this big tree, Andrew has reached the top. Now he fastens the rope to the very top of the tree and cuts it off and lowers it down. Working his way down in manageable segments, he's reached the biggest portion of the trunk. The best way to handle sections as big as this is to cut out small segments and drop them down. These pieces are too heavy to lift by hand, so Ryland uses their Kubota to put it in their trailer. Andrew continues to work his way down the trunk. He's almost to the bottom. At last, he's reached the last bottom cut. He's using his longest chainsaw, but he still must make several cuts in various directions. The weight of the tree is binding the saw, so they use a Komodo to tip the tree a bit to release the saw so it can make its final cut. Dave of the property here counted the number of rings in order to determine the tree's age. He found only 63.